Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Spotlight because it searches the entire iPad quickly. Swipe down from the middle of the home screen and start typing what you need: an app, contact, file name, or a quick question. Once done, watch suggestions populate from apps, mail, files, and the web. This happens because Spotlight indexes your device for speed. Make sure Search and Siri suggestions are on in settings so suggestions appear. This step gets you results without hunting through folders or menus. Next, refine results to find exactly what you want. Type precise keywords or add file type terms such as PDF or a contact name. This narrows hits. Then tap the filter row beneath the search field to limit results to apps, mail, messages, or files. This is useful when Spotlight returns too many items. If you need deeper content, open the app and use its built-in search because many apps keep richer, indexed data. After filtering, scan previews and long press items for quick actions. Finally, open a result and take action. Tapping launches the app or file, while a long press gives share, copy, or quick look so you can confirm contents without leaving search. Once you find what you need, save or pin important items to files, notes, or your cloud so future searches are faster. If Spotlight seems incomplete, restart the iPad and then check settings, Siri, and Search to toggle suggestions. This forces reindexing. If that fails, sign out and back into iCloud to refresh synced content.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.